Watch me make a business from my bed in less than 10 minutes. If there's two things you should know about me, it's that I love my bed a bit too much and I love coming up with new business ideas. I'm not a billionaire yet, but get rich or die trying, am I right? So step one, I'm creating my store on Whop and adding my product. This week's idea is a custom skateboard strap for skaters. So here I'm adding my name, description, pricing, location, FAQs, and I'm even setting an affiliate rate so other people can help promote my product too. Adding my product images, as you can see, I'm making a lot of mistakes here. So if you're more technologically advanced than I am, you can probably do this in 3 minutes, honestly. Now I'm adding my banner, editing the layout, and I'm really making the storefront pop by using better thumbnails and colors and trying to really stand out and look cute here. So to really build out my business, this is the fun part. So I'm adding a chat so my customers can ask questions. And I'm also adding a merch app so people can get t-shirts and stickers and hats and a forum. You can see I'm really thinking big here, and platforms like Whop really allow you to do that. And just like that, my business is up and running. All live from my bed, all in under 10 minutes with zero stress. And honestly, if I can do this, you can too.